Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to break down a full Band 8 cause-effect IELTS essay. I'll guide you through each paragraph with clear explanations, show you how to build strong arguments, and highlight vocabulary that examiners love. Make sure to watch until the end for a list of expressions from the sample answer you can start using right away. Please like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow. Essay question. As countries have developed, there has been a trend towards smaller family sizes. Why does this happen? How does this affect society? Introduction. Identify the trend and its importance. Start by rephrasing the topic. Clearly state there is a trend, what is causing it, and that it has effects. In recent decades, many developed countries have seen a clear decline in average family size. This trend can be attributed to a range of economic, social, and cultural changes and carries significant implications for the future of society. Paragraph 1. Explain the causes. Identify and explain the main reasons why family sizes are decreasing. Cover more than one cause and connect them logically. Use linking words like in addition, moreover, and this reflects to keep ideas flowing. Include real-life examples to support abstract points. One major reason for this trend is the rising cost of living in developed countries. Urban life often comes with high expenses in housing, education, and healthcare, making it financially burdensome for couples to raise multiple children. In addition, as societies modernize, educational and professional aspirations, especially among women, often lead to delayed marriages and fewer births, as more people prioritize career development and pursue personal goals before settling down. This reflects growing individualism, where people increasingly value independence and self-fulfillment, for example, choosing to travel, build a business, or continue education rather than start a family early. Moreover, in many cultures, the traditional emphasis on large families is gradually diminishing due to increased personal freedom and access to contraception. Paragraph 2. Explain the effect's purpose. Explain the short and long-term consequences of smaller family sizes. Explain both immediate and future impacts. Use cause and effect language like result in, lead to, and pose to clearly show connections. This shift has both short and long-term effects on society. In the short term, smaller families may contribute to a more manageable distribution of resources such as schooling, housing, and public services. However, over time, a consistently low birth rate can result in an aging population, which places pressure on healthcare systems and pension schemes. A shrinking workforce can also affect economic productivity, especially in sectors that rely on younger employees. In the long term, this could pose challenges for national development and require strategic planning to maintain a balanced population, such as investing in childcare support, encouraging higher birth rates through parental benefits, or adjusting retirement policies to extend workforce participation. Conclusion: summarize and reflect. Don't just repeat points, paraphrase. Try to end with a thoughtful insight that links everything together. In conclusion, the trend towards smaller families is largely attributed to economic pressures and changing social values. While this may offer some immediate advantages in terms of resource allocation, it also presents significant challenges for future population balance and economic growth. Expressions. Here are some of the expressions used in this essay, with definitions and examples. Settling down. Starting a stable adult life, usually involving marriage or family. Many postpone settling down until after achieving career goals. Pursue personal goals. Actively try to achieve one's own aims. She wanted to pursue personal goals before having children. Shaping reproductive choices. Influencing decisions about having children. Access to information is shaping reproductive choices. Shrinking workforce, a smaller pool of employable people. The shrinking workforce may slow down economic growth. Pose challenges. Create difficulties or obstacles. Low birth rates pose challenges for long-term planning. Self-fulfillment. The feeling of doing what one truly desires. More people seek self-fulfillment before starting a family. Financially burdensome. Too expensive to manage. Raising 3 or more children can be financially burdensome. Thanks for watching. I kept the video short, so there's even more in the free PDF below, including the vocabulary list with definitions, example sentences, and the full transcript of this sample answer to help you review and study more effectively. Remember to like and subscribe. Are you preparing for IELTS, TOEFL, TOEIC, or OET? Specialist in Exams connects students with expert tutors for one-to-one online lessons to help them excel in the exam. Visit our site to find your perfect match. Book a free one-to-one today.